Everyone's talking about AI vision, but which industries are actually betting on it? RoboFlow analyzed 200,000 AI vision projects running in production. Not demos, not decks, real systems, real scale. The answer is clear. Manufacturing. 68% of projects do one thing: closed-loop defect detection, not catching problems, correcting them before they happen. Zero defect isn't the goal anymore, it's the entry ticket. Healthcare, 66% of projects, AI-assisted clinical decisions. Vision is shifting from reference tool to the decision itself. This is happening faster than most people realize. Robotics and AIoT. In 2026, robotic vision alone is a $3.56 billion market. The reason is simple. Without vision, a robot is just motors. Vision isn't a feature, it's the condition for their existence. Manufacturing is using vision to redefine quality. Healthcare is using vision to make judgments only humans could make. Robotics is using vision to perceive the world. This isn't a trend. It isn't hype. This is infrastructure being built right now, turning vision into products that belong in these industries, from the sensor to the system to the finished device. That's what Union Image builds. Vision for all.